What's up, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at a fun little project that I am working on here. I wanted to make a light box for uh, Alchemy 3D. So um, let's take a look here. So I've never used the Maker World app, I guess you call it, the Maker World app for the light box. I've used it for figurines and some of the other stuff like that. But um, this one is I wanted to make a light box with my logo, and I think it came out pretty sick. So it's not done yet. Uh, I'm currently printing the back piece of the box right now. Um, and then I'll have to wire it up with lights and everything like that. And then there's also a stand that it's gonna sit into. But um, I, it this app is really cool. So it does the hollow box for you. It sets up the back panel. You can see you can add where your little cutout, where your hole is going to be uh, to run your wiring in and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so I'm pretty stoked to see how this comes out. Um, it vectorizes an image that you put in. So I had to prepare this and kind of set it up and get rid of the background. So you have these cutouts in the middle and all that kind of stuff. But overall, really simple. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out in terms of light output, just because of the fact that it's like a mostly black logo, but it's a relatively thin front panel. Um, Overall, the whole print, this front portion took uh, 5.5 hours, which the majority of it is kind of just on the front, the first couple layers because it prints face down. Um, and obviously with the color changes. So I'm wondering if I need to print it thinner. It lets you pick how thin your front panel is. I printed it at zero point 0.8 millimeters thickness. I don't know. I have no idea if that's right or not. So we'll see. I've got some LEDs laying around, some LED strips. So um, we're gonna I'm gonna finish up the back panel and the stand for it. That's like another, I think, like 3.5 hours in total for both of those pieces. And then we're gonna put it together, throw the lights in, and see what it looks like. I'm thinking worst case scenario, I have to reprint this piece, which, obviously is like the biggest, longest piece to have to reprint, but we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't let enough light through, I'm gonna cut that first layer down to, or cut that front panel thickness down to, I don't know, maybe zero point 0.4, maybe even just a single layer at 0.2. I don't know. We're going to see how this works out. But I will update once I have the rest of this done and have some wiring and lights thrown into it. And we'll see if it lights up. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll update later once I have the rest of this light box finished up.